If you use an iPad and are looking for a translation app that reads aloud, stick around. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Due to student data privacy laws, Google Translate is not an option for many students. So let's take a deeper look at the Apple Translate app on the iPad. Open the built-in translation app on the iPad and click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Camera from the menu options. Take a picture by touching the circle on the right of the screen. Notice the program uses optical character recognition, or OCR, and machine translation to provide translated text. Long press on the text you want to hear. Press the blue play button. Let's listen.
1. Estos pasos se siguen mejor cuando la navegación del aula está desanclada.
Long press on another block of text, click play, and listen again.
2. Navegar a grado. Libro.
For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration YouTube channel, and remember to click subscribe. Keep digging into the apps on your devices to find even more effective ways to use them. Thanks for watching.